Hi, if you're a new mom, I just want to share yung tatlong bagay na ginawa ko, how I overcome postpartum depression. And alam mo nung una, very in denial ako. Pero I've learned na it's normal. And we just need to do something about it para bumalik tayo kung sino talaga tayo. And even way better than who we are before. So, unang ginawa ko, self-love. Okay? Self-love through nourishing my body, healing my body first. Prioritize healing. Sige? So, make sure na you eat well, you hydrate your body well, and you take your fat supplement with you for extra support. Second, you accept help. All the help that you can gather, you accept it. Understand na hindi mo siya kayang mag-isa. And talk to someone you truly trust. Back then, it's my husband. But for you, it can be a different person. It can also be your husband. But, you know, sabihin mo sa kanila yung mga thoughts mo. Not because you want him to resolve kung ano yung mga insecurities mo, yung mga nararamdaman mo, but because you just want someone to talk to. You need to feel supported. Lastly, you need to grow. You do something outside of motherhood. For me, what ang ginawa ko noon, I try to learn something new every day. I learn through short online courses or nagbabasa ako ng short articles every day to give me a sense of accomplishment. For you, it can be different. Maybe growth for you is maybe learning a new language or maybe just doing old hobbies mo before or a new hobby, anything that is like outside of motherhood will make you feel good. Kasi nga you'll have that sense of accomplishment. So I hope makatulong siya sa'yo. I'll see you again tomorrow.